Hi, in this video we are going to write a program to find the vowels in the string. So let's see how we can find the vowels in the string. So for example, this is my string and let me tell you what is the vowels. So vowels are present in the alphabets which is I, O, U, E, A. So this is comes under the vowels. We need to find the what are the vowels present in this particular string. So let so keep in mind this is the vowels and we have to find the whether this vowels present in this particular string or not. So or let me comment let me comment this one. Yeah, or one we can do one thing, paste here only. So I hope you get to know what we need to do. So we have to find the vowels. And what is the vowels? This I, O, U, E, A is nothing but the vowels only. And we have to find whether this vowels present or not in this particular string. So let me show you how we can do. So the most easiest way what you can do, you can convert this string into the set and you can take one more set which is vowels and you can perform the intersection operation. And most of the people don't know what is the set, and because we have not seen and I have not covered the topic set, the set topic, so it is obvious most of the people don't know. But don't worry, we will get to know when we will finish this string. We will start the next topic. At that time we will see what is the set, what is the list, dictionary, this kind of things. So the time being, let me show you how we can create the set from the string. So for that, for example, I'm taking one variable as equals to, then s equals to set, then we have to specify the sequence which is string only, and come here and let me print this s so you will get to know. Yeah, see, it's converted to set. So this is how we can convert the string set. And one more thing, set have a property like set have all the unique character only or item only. If you observe here, we have used a, then two time, then three time, then four time, but here we have only one time. Each and every character or item present in the sets are unique only. So I have converted string into the set, and I have taken one more variable, for example vowels. Come here and I'm creating one more set. So this is syntax how you can create this set having this curly bracket, then here in single quote a, then I, then E, then O, then U. So these are come under the vowels category. So we have one string, we have created one set from this string only. Let me copy these things and paste here. Yeah, and let me remove this one. So basically, I have one set of vowels and I have one string. So I have converted that string into this set, and we need to find the vowels which is present or not in this particular string. So set support intersection operation or and operator. You can maybe remember in school days we have to do like that. So let me show you how we can do. Print, then this s, then and, then vowels. So it will print only the common, which is common in both. If you remember in school days, we are drawing one circle, then again one circle, and what is the common in the both? That only it's highlighting in middle. Like it is called intersection operation. So let me run. See, these are the vowels present in this particular string. So this is how we can find the whether or which vowels present in the particular string or not. And one more thing, If you remember, in one of my video, I have shown you how we can remove the duplicate from the set. Sorry, from the string. So with the help of this set also, you can remove the duplicate from the string. Let me show you how. It, so I hope you got this one. So I am removing this one, and let me comment this one. Yeah, and let me print string, and let me run. See, if we are running string as it is, see, a, then second time, third time, fourth time. So if you want to remove the duplicates from the string, simply we can convert the string into the set, because set have a property like set does not contain any duplicate. Let me show you. See, there is only one time a, but here in string we have a three times, four times. So this is one of the way how you can remove the duplicate from the string. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.